Hello guys, welcome back to True Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of this Essager Type-C to Lightning cable adapter. So what this allows you to do, it allows you to charge your Lightning iPhone with a powered USB-C. So yeah, this is for fast charging and it's not for OTG. So I actually got this from AliExpress. I'm going to unbox it now, and as you can see, this is what you get in the box. It comes with this packet, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's got USB-C in the back. What it allows you to do, obviously, it allows you to charge using a USB-C powered device, and it allows fast charging as well. So right over here, I've got a laptop charger. It's 65 watts. Over here, it shows you can charge at 5 volts or 9 volts. So basically, you can choose at what speed it charges. But let's say you got a different phone that supports fast charging, you can charge with that. This is only Type-C. You can't plug any Lightning cable, but this converts it from Type-C to Lightning. If you've got an iPhone 15, you could just charge it directly with this. I've got an iPhone 7 over here. The phone I'm recording with is an iPhone 12, and I'm going to test it with that after. So this has not got fast charging, but we're going to test the speed. So I've got a USB tester over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this adapter into the phone. I'm going to plug this USB tester in between, and I'm going to plug in the charger. So as you can see, we're charging now. I'm going to show you the power. So we're currently getting about 9 watts. At 5 volts at 1.7 amps. So this is with an iPhone 7. We're getting about 9 watts. So yeah, the cool thing is that you can charge any phone that's below iPhone 15 with this adapter. Alright, so I'm recording with my iPhone 7 now. As you can see, I've got the Essager adapter over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it in between this USB Type-C charger. So I'm going to plug this into my iPhone 12. As you can see, it lights up. And as soon as I plug it into this phone, for some weird reason it turns off and turns on again, but I think that's because it's doing this handshake between the laptop charger. And as you can see, we are charging and we are getting about 9 volts. As you can see now, we're getting 9 volts. We're charging at 12 watts. So we're charging at a stable speed. And obviously, alright, so I just plugged my Type-C cable into my PC. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to see how compatible it is with data transfer. I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to plug this into the iPhone 7. And as you can see, it says allow this device to access photos and videos. That means we're able to access this on the PC. So now that it's plugged in, Apple iPhone has now showed up onto the PC. So yep, it's super useful, this adapter. Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to just have it on here. So you can just easily keep it on this laptop charger or whatever USB Type-C charger at any time. And then you could just have it on here. So if you just want to charge your USB Type-C devices, you can just easily do so. And then when you want to use your iPhone charger, simply put it in here. It looks so nice as well on here, and you just plug it on and it's really easy to just charge. See, it obviously takes a while to start charging because it's actually doing that handshake with the actual laptop charger to see what wattage it's charging at. We're charging at a fast speed now, because obviously now with this laptop charger we can now charge our Lightning cable devices with this laptop charger. That's what makes this charger really good. So anyway, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.